Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Pilot radio code. First, understand why your radio needs a code. When your vehicle's battery is disconnected or replaced, the anti-theft system activates, locking the radio. This security feature prevents unauthorized use. You will need a specific 5-digit code to unlock it. Don't worry, finding and entering this code is a simple process. To find your radio code, start by checking your glove box. Many Honda Pilots have a small white sticker inside, often on the left side or inside the owner's manual, displaying the 5-digit code. If it's not there, you can retrieve the code online using your vehicle's VIN and the radio's serial number. To get the serial number, turn the ignition to accessory mode. Then press and hold the radio preset buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously while turning the radio on. The serial number will display. Once you have your 5-digit code, entering it is simple. Turn your vehicle's ignition to the accessory position, but do not start the engine. The radio display should show code or enter code. Use the radio preset buttons numbered 1 through 6 to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 24,680, press preset 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 0. The radio should then unlock and function normally. If your radio displays error or error after entering the code, it means the code was incorrect. Do not try multiple times immediately. Turn off the ignition, wait about 10 minutes, then try re-entering the code carefully. Double-check that you have the correct code. If issues persist, contacting a Honda dealership with your VIN can help. They can provide the correct code or assist with further troubleshooting. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.